Underrated AI tools. Discover the hidden gems that make your workflow smarter, faster, and easier, starting today. Drowning in repetitive tasks? Unknown AI automators handle your busy work, freeing your time for higher-value projects. Hit a creative block? Unseen AI brainstormers generate fresh ideas and scripts, instantly reigniting your creative spark. Buried in messages? Secret AI assistants sort, prioritize, and summarize your inbox so nothing important slips by. Confused by data overload? Hidden AI analyzers spot key trends and make your next move obvious. No guessing needed. Ready to unlock your unfair advantage? The right hidden gem changes everything. Underrated AI tools. They solve unique problems the mainstream options can't. Stuck with clumsy tools for complex tasks? Specialized AI can handle what big names struggle to fix. Automating niche workflows feels impossible until the right AI quietly makes everything run smoothly. Drowning in scattered research. Some AI tools instantly distill insights that others miss entirely. Not every challenge fits a standard mold. Sometimes, only a tailored AI approach delivers results. What hidden AI gems will help you solve your next tough problem? Smarter text and copywriting with AI. These tools can systemize and accelerate your writing effortlessly. Struggling with scattered ideas and slow writing? AI tools now make organization and content creation much simpler. Notion AI instantly captures meeting notes and organizes tasks into clear, actionable outlines. No more messy transcripts. Compose AI speeds up email writing by suggesting complete messages as you type, cutting down on response time. Need content ideas? Compose AI generates engaging social captions, blog outlines, or posts in seconds, right in your browser. Switch seamlessly between outlining complex projects in Notion AI and refining copy within Compose AI for market research. Reveal what customers want before they ask. Predict, analyze, and stay ahead of your competitors. Traditional research relies on slow, backward-looking data. AI empowers faster, future-focused decisions with predictive insights. Symanto AI instantly reveals how audiences feel about your brand, unlocking real-time sentiment and emotion analytics. Benchmark against your competitors. Identify market gaps and strengths using automated competitor analysis powered by AI. Delphi AI predicts how consumers will react to new campaigns, products, or policies before you launch. Forecast product demand with confidence. Adapt business strategies to match evolving trends months before the market shifts. Capture audience reactions as they happen. Visual design with AI. These tools can generate stunning visuals from just a few words. Stuck needing eye-catching visuals fast? AI can solve your design problems in minutes, not hours. No design skills? Just describe your idea and get a logo tailored to your vision instantly. Need social posts or banners? AI delivers polished graphics tuned to your campaign with one prompt. Turn a quick sketch or screenshot into a working app mockup. Let AI handle the layout and flow. Running out of time? AI tools can build web or app prototypes for pitches and MVPs in moments. Feeling uninspired? AI generates fresh graphics or brand automation and workflow. These tools can save you hours by taking repetitive work off your plate. Manually copying and pasting data wastes hours each week. Automation does it for you, freeing up your day. Sorting endless emails? Automated filters instantly organize your inbox so you never miss an important message. New support requests can pile up. Automation instantly routes each one to the right team, no delays. Keeping information updated across platforms is tedious. Automated syncing ensures your data stays accurate everywhere. Building reports? Automation gathers data and creates reports for you, saving hours every week. Automated notifications organize your to-do list so you always know what's next without feeling overwhelmed. What would you do with the time you save? Take control. AI for video and audio creation. Transform how you make content with tools that work smarter and faster. Editing videos and audio can be slow, overwhelming, and expensive. AI tools now streamline the process for everyone. With Descript AI, edit video and audio by simply editing text. Cut mistakes just like in a document. Descript polishes audio, removes background noises, and auto-aligns tracks for professional quality results. fast. 11 Labs generates ultra-realistic voiceovers. Add narration to explainer videos or podcasts in minutes. No studio needed. Create polished data and decision support. Make smarter business decisions effortlessly. Struggling with endless data but need answers fast? Modern AI can turn confusion into clear direction. No complicated coding required. Need to predict next quarter's sales? Machine learning forecasts future trends by analyzing past performance in seconds. Identify which customers might leave before it happens. Predictive data pinpoints who's at risk so you can act early. Optimize marketing spend with data-driven recommendations. Quickly adjust budgets for better ROI. Automatically see what's working. Instantly group thousands of customer reviews into clear topics. See trends and pain points without sorting manually. Sort through surveys fast. Automated text analysis groups responses by theme, saving hours of manual work. Ready to transform your data into decisions? Smarter choices start now. Integration and collaboration. These tools eliminate info overload and supercharge your teamwork. Collaboration suffers when information is scattered, endless emails, missed action items, and wasted meeting notes. Cogram captures meeting details in real time, delivering clear, actionable summaries the moment you finish. No more forgotten follow-ups. Cogram creates instant task lists so teams always know what's next. Every decision and action item from your calls gets recorded and shared, keeping your projects moving forward. Samebox filters your inbox, sorting out distraction, underrated tools, real results. See how they transform real-world workflows from slow to seamless. Wasted hours and clunky processes drag growth down. Many businesses feel stuck in these slow, repetitive workflows every day. Manual tasks pile up for freelancers, costing them precious hours and stalling project deadlines. With Compose AI, writing is fast and effortless. Productivity jumps, freeing time for more valuable, creative work. Agencies often struggle to keep up with time-consuming, repetitive processes that drain their team's energy. Levity automates routine agency tasks, cutting delays and letting teams focus on big-picture strategy and creative solutions. Startups risk missed opportunities when slow data keeps them from acting quickly or seeing patterns that final review and how to get started. Transform how you work every day with better tools and smarter workflows. Feeling overwhelmed by constant tasks and endless distractions? You're not alone. Most workflows waste precious time. Organizational tools help you turn chaos into clarity, keeping deadlines, priorities, and daily plans effortlessly on track. Creativity flows when you have the right support. Idea capturing tools make inspiration easy wherever you work. Automation frees your hands and mind, letting you focus on high-impact projects.